Friday, and this is the Miles Bowen Show day. Today we are going to be talking about freeway plants. Don't you ever think they can get some nicer plants? I mean, literally, these are just weeds. So you know what I'm planning to do? I'm planning to plant some with you. Thank you for the Miles Bowen Show today. Go green! 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 Look, I planted them! Look what I planted. I went green!
Miles, those are weeds. Give it up.
No, they're not weeds. Okay, I'll come back in a few days to come give you water.